Radio SI, main stage.
How can something so wrong, babe, feel so right? And how can something so strong fall apart overnight? How can something so sweet leave a bitter taste? Can somebody tell me? I'm feeling down and I need to know. Oh, my mama, she sat me down one day. She said, oh, keep on keeping on. And my daddy looked so proud. He said, boy, I'll raise you strong. You know who you are. No, my friends stood by my side. And I want to thank each and every one right here on this sunny rooftop. Now the hard part is over. My work here just begun. I got to walk this road alone. Gotta find my way back home. I've been gone for a bit too long now. But I know, yes I know, I got to make it on my own. And I finally realized one day everything's not meant to be okay. But I'm not thinking about tomorrow. Keep my mind on today. It may be heavy and I may cry, but all those tears are gonna add up one day. And when they fall from that green blue skies, you know, they make room for a sunshiny day. I got to walk this road alone. Gotta find my way back home. I've been gone for a little bit of too long now. But I know, deep down I know, I got to make it on my own. Oh, yeah, you know what, man? For the last 2 years, we've been walking these roads alone. There hasn't been much hugging, much kissing between friends. We've been staying inside our flats, listening to the radio. And now things have changed, and I hope we find and meet each other on a concert Sunday. I hope we all get along from now on, and the bright and sunny days are on our way. You know what? I don't want to walk this road alone for a long time. I want to share this road with you, and I know what I gotta do still sometimes. You know what it is? Oh, I gotta walk. I'm gonna do it. You know, gotta find my way back home. I've been gone for a little bit of too long now. But I know, yes I know, I got to walk this road alone.
Radio SI, main stage.